Hey guys, yeah, me here again. I want to show you something here. I got a K11 meter. It's a magnetic meter. Picks up magnetic fields and whatnot. You can see it when you get around equipment. You see how it flashes around equipment. They use these when they're looking for spirits and things like that. Well, I've had some unconfirmed reports from actually a roommate of mine of certain activity going on in his bedroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this K11 meter standalone by itself. No hands on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert like a little dime into the lever down here to keep this thing running. Now I'm going to let the camera run. We're going to watch it for just a few minutes and see what happens here, okay? Okay, so we will be back. I'm going to place this somewhere where there's like no electromagnetic energy coming through. Some reason, actually, it's kind of weird. Actually, I've got quite a bit of electromagnetic energy going on right now that I don't know why it's happening like that. Yeah, can you stop doing that for me, please? I don't know what's putting that signature off here. The fridge? Well, I don't know. That's actually really strange. Yeah, it doesn't usually do that. And I know it's not malfunctioning, so. We have some energy surge going on in here. I don't know why we have so much energy coming on right through there. It's kind of weird. Maybe we're actually experiencing something quite dramatic going on right now. I don't know. This is really weird. Oh, the phone. The phone did it. Look at that. The phone did it. Okay, I'll make sure the phone's far enough away from it. You can see the difference here, right? Okay, we'll definitely do that. And we will be back in just a little bit. Choppa. So let's go ahead and take it far out. We're going to set it up right here on this desk. Confirm camera, where everything's at. Okay, nothing is going on. Looks good. So we're going to let it just sit there for a few minutes and kind of see what happens. Okay? Like I said, unconfirmed reports, but we've had strange things go on in here before. I could go into detail, but I just kind of want to watch and see what's going on right here. Just keep your eyes on that meter. You can see there's no effect by it. Hopefully the cat doesn't get up there and screw around with it, but we will see. I shall be back. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Looks like the light's still solid green, but this is a testament here. We're not being affected by any other electromagnetic fields. coming from electricity or surrounding equipment, the computer, the monitor, etc. We already know that the camera was causing it to go off. All these things have to take into consideration. So I've always been a firm believer in, there are things that are beyond this realm that do exist. And, I don't want to go into a huge conversation about life after death, but my personal feeling is, all religion aside and all respect to every religion, is that there are other dimensions and things that we simply do not understand that exist. It's crazy to think that there's not. Just like scientifically, it has been said, it's impossible that there's not some form of life out there in the vast universe. Maybe it's a floating little slime on the water somewhere. But this is what we're watching for. I know some people get really weird about this stuff, but it kind of depends. I've experienced things here in this house. I've seen things through my life. Young child, I was once. And, we had some experiences in a house that, had some negative energy in it. And, maybe that has a way of manifesting in all of our heads at the same time, like a mass hallucination or some type of shit like that. But I highly doubt it. And sometimes you have to call them out. Sometimes there's no activity. So is there any type of energy here with us tonight that would like to show itself? All you have to do is move close to that meter. You don't have to be afraid of it. You don't even have to touch it. Just get close to it. Give me a light or two on there. Show a light bar or two on there. You don't have to be shy. Come on. Yeah, but these things don't always work like clockwork either, so. You have to take it for what you can get it. You just kind of watch. You pay attention to it. Anyone around want to say anything at all? You want to communicate? You're being watched. A lot of people might actually end up seeing you if you want to get your message across. Anything you'd like to say? Okay, well, we're probably kind of dead right here in the spot, so maybe we'll try a different spot, okay? Till then, we'll be back here in a few. Okay, I moved the meter back here to the back hallway. This is an area where there has been activity before, reported by other people. Simple things, weird noises, even like doors opening on their own and whatnot. I mean, it could be the draft, the wind, but when you have a door latched, it opens up, who knows? But you can see the yellowish green light right in front of you. We're going to go ahead and keep the camera on that for, a couple, 3 minutes to see what happens, okay? Anyone back here that would like to talk to us? All you gotta do is light that meter up. Get close to it, light that meter up. Give us a light or two on there. Let us know that you're here. Come on.
Around 10 o'clock, she woke up telling me that her leg hurt. And I thought, well, she was running a lot tonight.
Any visitors going on so far on here? Yeah, these types of things can be hit and miss. You can do hours on recording and never get anything at all over and over again. But you never know. Sometimes you might get lucky. We just have to have people asking questions. But honestly, I think it's shy, whatever it is. So, anyways, well, we're going to cut this down and we'll do some other ones. I might try some different techniques that I know about. Okay? Peace out.